Yesterday I was kind of talking about dopamine feedback.
What in the world?
It's your phone and all of that stuff. You remember that?
I think you said dopamine are like some kind of addiction.
Kind of, sort of. You get addicted to the pleasure. So if I hand you one cookie, you might eat the whole thing because when you bite it, the sugar gives you a dopamine type of rush. It's not bad all the time. You know what I'm saying? It's like a pleasure that you get when you eat a cookie. That's why you go and want another one because that sugar tastes so good. Or burgers, or I give you some fries, you're going to smash them all. You follow what I'm saying? So, vegetables, maybe not. Maybe not. So when people drink, when people smoke and get high, even a cigarette gives you a little dopamine. But your phone gives you dopamine too. So we were talking about understanding when you on your phone and clicking, you get these feedback loops that I was talking about. So you got to understand, like, you know, who's the sucker in the room and not always being one to consume all the time. So you want people to kind of lock into your channel and lock into you and what you're doing and not always be the person that's just playing games all the time. Creating something. Like this stuff I'm teaching you, you should be coming in here when I'm not in here and creating stuff and saying, hey, Ma, I need Photoshop, I need this MacBook, I need this camera, I need these microphones, I need all of this stuff.